Today we are whisked away into a world where trains and tinsel unite. The National Railroad Museum is home to the Big Boy and other restored rolling stock. And during the Christmas season, the museum is transformed into a festive wonderland with uniquely decorated trees. Join us as we explore the Festival of Trees.
Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters. We are in Green Bay, Wisconsin, about to enter the National Railroad Museum.
Thanks for joining us on another Love Nester adventure.
Thanks for being here.
So during the Christmas season, they have a festival of trees going on that are sponsored by the different organizations around town. Oh, this tree is neat. It's sponsored by the Girl Scouts. The girls probably made all these different ornaments. So these trees were originally made in Manitowoc. That company has gone out of business, so these are quite rare. Oh my gosh.
That is so cool.
Wow. There's about 50 trees as part of this exhibit. Oh, is this a clever tree? Somebody who really likes Halloween. Each one of these trees is sponsored by a local business, and they can decorate them however they want. Here's a lovely tree sponsored by a winery. You can get a lot of ideas for decorating your own trees here. Well, here's your frozen tree. Well, this one is sponsored by a dog rescue. Look at how they have the train tracks weaving through these trees. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, this is done by the tea company.
Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters.
Thanks so much for joining us on our tour of the Festival of Trees at the National Railroad Museum.
And if you love trains, the National Railroad Museum is the place to be. It's just outside of Green Bay, Wisconsin.
In fact, we have a whole separate video you can watch. We'll link it at the end. If you're enjoying our videos, it would sure help us out if you would give this video a thumbs up. It helps other people to find the channel.
Thanks for being here.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.